Good morning, YouTube. Eagle here, back for another adventure. Today is just a day hike adventure. Currently at the Battle Creek Falls trailhead. Just entered in here. It's already beautiful. Nice little watershed coming down the drainage here. I'm here with Gary this morning. Again, I got Pax-a-lot and his wife Kristy. So we're all going to do a quick, I don't know, about a mile out, a mile back day hike up to Battle Creek Falls and see what it's all about. Weather's beautiful this morning. It's about like 69, 70 degrees right now. We'll see you up the trail. Oh, you got Baby Yoda?
Somewhere. Right here. Right
okay. I left Smurf back at the dresser. I actually haven't carried him yet.
He only goes with me on my day.
So this is pretty much what the trail is like so far. I hear it's like this pretty much the whole way up. Just a gravel road. Not too steep. So it's easy hiking. But it's encompassed by these beautiful cliffs, rock outcroppings up here. Pretty cool. Yeah, it's coming up over the bridge. So that's typically not the flow that's coming down off of this, but with the high snow melt, it's been really incredible. The water flow has pushed a bunch of debris up onto the bridge, and water's kind of following that and getting up onto the bridge. So the trail has a couple little steeper parts, which we're on right now. A little bit of a climb, not too bad. It flattens out up here again. Huh?
Fine. Trail's supposed to be flat.
That's what you said. Whew. It's leg day. Gave us some grip here. It's pretty cool. So we're gonna hit the top of the falls first and then circle back around, hit the bottom. Beautiful falls. There's the canyon that continues up past the falls. But man, that's way up there. Let's take a look at the falls. Alright, so we are at the top of the falls. Pretty powerful flow. You don't want to get slipping into that. Kind of a long way down. Good 75 feet drop. Beautiful view out into the Pleasant Grove Valley there. Beautiful waterfall, beautiful. They got some sort of a pressure relief or something for the pipes to carry the water down. Pretty neat. Alright, we're going to continue up the trail just a little bit, just for a little bit more of a hike. Not really anything up here other than trail. Pretty. So as we've been standing here at these falls, we've heard little boulders being pushed and broken loose down by the water, and they're tumbling down, kind of clunking down the riverbed. The force of this water is amazing.
How far are we in?
I don't know. So the trail does continue across the water, but I think we're probably going to go back.
My dad really scared to cross.
Yeah. Here's some people crossing now. Did I say I like hiking in Utah? It's awesome out here. So much to see. Even just, you know, like if you live out here, you can hike a different trail every day and probably not see everything in a year. Just in the Wasatch itself. You know, not to mention the High Line and all the national parks that they got. It's an incredible state. You know, just on this one little, you know, less than a mile out, another mile back, there's so much to see. And this trail keeps going up through the canyon. I mean, I don't know what's up at the top, but you can keep going and going and going. But we're going to go down and hit the bottom of the falls now. And take a little break there. We'll see you down there. So we're at the base of the falls. This is pretty powerful stuff. standing here, we can still hear rocks coming down off the waterfall, hitting the bottom here. It's amazing. I can see the rocks coming down and bouncing there near Steve. Wow. Little hole in the cliff here. Pretty neat. Where the Wanderer's kind of coming out, forming a little undercut there. All right, so that is Battle Creek Falls Trail going up the side of this little mountain here up the canyon. A lot of water up there today. Great hike. Steep in one or two little spots up there, but it's nothing that you can't do. Had a good time. Thanks, Steve and Kristy, for coming along with us, and Gary, of course, he's with me for a couple more days.
Awesome. Come along no matter what.
Really appreciate it. And thanks for getting together earlier with the Uinta, and for what did we did the other day, lunch or
Yeah, we did dinner.
Dinner.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm getting old. Anyway, guys, thanks for tagging along. We will see you on the next one.
Awesome.